Good morning. When painting the wood at the side of the stairs, whilst the stairs are carpeted, ensure your masking tape off the edge of the stairs. Tuck it in nice and neatly so that you're not going to get any on the carpet, and go up the sides as well. Continue on, making sure you get a good tight fit into the stairs. But one thing you must remember, to ensure you don't get any lines up the stairs like this, is whilst the paint is wet, not immediately after, but whilst it's still wet, please ensure that you remove the masking tape. This will let the paint even out and you won't get any of these lines. To get rid of these lines once you're repainting, just take up the scraper, get the top of the line off, then go over it with sandpaper. That will give you a nice smooth finish. Thank you.